Hello students, today start chapter 6 algebraic expression. Now what is algebraic expression? An algebraic expression is an expression in which variables means those whose value is not fixed and constant are combined with the sign of fundamental operation plus minus divide into. These are called algebraic expression. Suppose 3x square plus 5x plus 6, this is an algebraic expression. Here variables are x, these are variable because its value is not fixed, and constants are 3, 5 and 6. So it is an algebraic expression. Now types of algebraic expression. First one is monomial. An algebraic expression that contains only one term is called monomial. If they have only one term, suppose 5x, this is only one term, these are called monomials. Now binomials. An algebraic expression that contains two terms, that contains two terms is called binomials. Suppose x plus y, x is this one term, this second term, so these are called binomials. And trinomials is an expression that contains three terms are called trinomials. Suppose x square plus 3x plus 5, here this is first term, 3x is second term and 5 is third term, so it is an trinomial. Next is polynomial. An algebraic expression having one or more than one term is called a polynomial, provided that the power of its variables are non-negative integers. There is a power, this power is non-negative integer, then these are called polynomial. An algebraic expression having one or more than one term. If it has only one term or more than one term, then they are called polynomials. Only condition is that the power of the variable is an non-negative. Next is like and unlike term. So like term is all the terms containing the same literal number, that is variables with the same degree are called like terms. For example, y, 5y and 9y are like term because they have the same variable y. Unlike terms which have different variable part are called unlike terms. Suppose this, for example, 2xy and 2ab are unlike terms. See, here variables are x and y, here variables are a and b. They have different variables, so they are unlike term. If they have same variable, then they are like term. If they are different variables, then they are unlike terms. Now exercise 6.1. First question is write the numerical coefficient of each term. Numerical coefficient means the number. So minus 5 x square y square, these are variables, and constant is minus 5. So the answer is minus 5. And write all the definitions in your copy. Now question number 2. Write the constant term in each of the following. 5x square y plus 7. We have to write the constant term. See, 5 is also constant, but it is a coefficient because it is along with x square y. It is a variable, so we cannot take 5 as a constant term. Only 7 is there. So constant term is 7. So answer is 7. This is coefficient. And constant term is, this is only constant term because it does not contain any variable, so this is our answer. Question number C is 2C. Minus 3 s square b square c square. You have to find the constant term. So, there is no constant term without any variable, so the constant is 0. It is a coefficient of s square b square c square, not constant term. It is a coefficient. This is coefficient, so our answer is 0. Next question number 3. Write the numerical coefficient of the following expression. We have to write the numerical coefficient. First question is minus 5 x square y plus 3x. So numerical coefficient, this minus 5 is the numerical coefficient, and also 3 is numerical coefficient. So we write answer is minus 5 and 3. Minus 5 and 3, these two are numerical coefficient because they contain the variable. Okay, here minus 5 x square y, this is variable, and this is x variable. So minus 5 and 3, these two are numerical coefficients. Question number D, minus x square 3D. Okay, minus x square. So there is no numerical coefficient, so we can write this minus 1. We know minus x square means minus 1 into x square. You can write minus x square as minus 1 into x square. So numerical coefficient is minus 1. Now question number 4. Write the coefficient of x square in the following term. We want to write the coefficient of x square. So no numerical coefficient, only coefficient of x square. So along with x square, there is a minus 3 at there and y. So this is the coefficient of x square. Okay. Question number C, 4C, minus 37b square x square y. So we have to write the coefficient of x square. So along with the coefficient x square, we have 37. So minus 37b and b square y. This is the coefficient of x square. See, numerical coefficient is only number, and coefficient may be number and variable, number and variable also. Okay, that is why I take minus 3 and y. Next question, question number 5. Identify the like terms in the following. Here is the question. Okay, we have to write the identify the like term. So 5x square y. See, the variable is x square y. So x square y, this is x square y. Minus 4 x square y, then x square, this is y x square and x square y are same, 17 y x square, and so these three are like term. Okay, then minus 7a. So it writes a, this is 14a, this is like term, and 55a, this is also contains a, this variable. So these are 55a like term. Now 3x square y square, 3x square y square. So how many x square y square there? X square, this is x square y square. So 45 y square x square and x square y square are same. Okay, and then 4x square already written, then 7 already as x square, 45 right, 7, and next is 7 x square y square z square, and this is only one left is minus 4 y square x. These two are not like terms. Yes, like term. Okay, because the variable is not same. These three are like term, these three are like term, and these two are also like term. Question number 6b. AB plus BA plus C. You have to find the degree. So degree means highest power. See, the power of A is 1, power of B is 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Here also 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 1, 2. So our highest power is 2. So degree is 2. So next question, question number 7. Identify the monomials, binomials and trinomials of the following. Monomials means the algebraic expression has only two term, then they are binomial. Only one term monomial and then 3 terms trinomial. So there is 2 term, 8x square, this is first term, this is second term, so it is binomial. Then 7, it has only one term, minus 7, so it is monomial. And question number C is 14x square, this first term, y second term, and a, this is third term. 3 terms are there, so it is trinomial. This is trinomial. Question number 8. Identify the following expressions on the basis of number of terms and write the degrees of each. So it has 3 terms, 5a first term, b square c square Second term is 7, 3 times, so it is monomials. Sorry, this is 3 times, so it is trinomials. Trinomial. And we will also write the degree. So degree means the highest power. Say the a square, the power is 2. Here b square c square, so you have to add this to 2 plus 2 4, so degree is 4. Question number B. 9 square bc, it has only one term, so it is monomial. And degree, we will write the degree. So a square, power is 2, power is 1, power is 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, so degree is 4. Now question number D. 4 by 7 x square plus 3 by 4 y square. So it has only two terms. This is first term, this is second term, so it is binomial. And degree means the highest power of the coefficient, so x square 2 is the highest power, so its degree is 2. Now question number 9. Find the value of x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube if x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. The value of x is 2 and y is 3. We have to find the value of this expression. So just we put the value of x and y. X cube, so it is 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square into y. Value of y is 3 plus 3 into 2 into this is 2 into 3 square, because it is y square, and 3 whole cube. Now we know 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. It is 2 into 2, 4, 4 2s are 8, so it is 8 plus this is 3 into 4 square means 4 into 4, so 4 into 4 is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4 into 3 plus 3 2s are 6 into 3 square means 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9 plus 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, so 8 plus 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 3 is 12 into 3, 12 3s are 36 plus 9 6s are 54 plus 27. Now we add 8, 36, 54 and 27. So answer is 125. When you add this, answer is 125.